Yo, welcome back to another video. Our neighbor's chicken came into our yard. This is like my first time seeing a real life chicken. But I've seen chickens chase people, so I'm scared.
Oh, Jesus, getting too close.
No. 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 I'm scared. What are you? Oh no, Mom. No, the chicken. I'm scared. What if it starts chasing me, Mom? You gonna leave me?
Yes.
What?
Don't come close.
I'm not. I'm scared. No. Get. How do you? I'm scared. I'm scared. I've seen chickens chase people. No. Is it a rooster or a chicken? Oh, Mom, you better close the door. Yeah. Chicken. I don't think chickens eat. Can't chickens like? Yo, what? What do you want with me? Leave me alone. Okay, so I'm just so interesting, chicken. Okay. Oh wait, no, it's you now. Yo.
Should I put it away for him? You lock it up so they can help? Huh? No, I mean just lock him back there. What about the dog? The dog in the house. I mean, just until they get home.
Oh, it's a nice chicken. But I'm not gonna get too close. I'm not risking it.
Good. I don't know if we should put it in a box. Is there a box? Close the door. See if it's a box or something. Yeah.
Wait, I got a box, Sean. Make sure it doesn't go anymore. I got a box.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Yo.
too small.
What are we gonna do? There's a chicken. There's a chicken. Yo, this is my first time seeing a chicken.
Nah.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. I like that. Yeah, but like, there's a chicken though. Chicken.
Alright. Oh, that's too small.
Man, that's a little Amazon box.
I'm not on your door.
Well, there was a chicken in the yard, but yeah.
That's alright. A couple more in the yard. Don't hurt nobody.
I was there.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we found the chicken owners.
Yeah, man. He's kicking it.
We found the chicken owners. So,
you know about that, Mason?
Huh?
Mason?
what do you mean?
The yellow house over there?
I don't know.
Probably ask.
Well, we found the owners. It's fine.